Let's do something interesting for the intro.
Yeah, I think I'm going through menopause.
That'll do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mountain Creek vlog. Today we're up at Mountain Creek. Pretty obvious.
I'm having hot flashes, dude. I don't know.
It's like
60 degrees.
Yeah, 56 degrees currently. It will be 60 very soon if the weather proceeds to continue to increase in temperature, as predicted by the weatherman.
Al Gore, global warming, send help.
All right, beautiful day. We're gonna be checking out the BT Bounds park that they used this past weekend. So yeah, we'll be checking that out. It's a super fun progression park and usually very fun to hit. Hopefully conditions are great. We don't know, it's about to be first run. Everything's looking quite soft and squishy. Let's get to some shredding, yeah! What a beautiful day!
Done a couple runs. Conditions are pretty alright. It's a little slushy, a little bit of rock somewhere, but you know, just adds character to the trail. We've been hitting BT, or as I like to call it, Bodacious Teresa. You know, a couple little fun hits there. Sky's nice though.
Sky's nice. Sky is nice. There's no ice. We ain't got lice. Time to eat some rice. Bring us back to snowboarding, Dan. I am still recording, so we're just gonna talk. What's going on, guys? We're just vibing up here on the mountain.
Some straight slushy shenanigans.
Slushy shenanigans, mountain malarkey. But yeah, this is the best video you've ever seen. Let's be real. Hey, so, you know, if you're enjoying the video, be sure to, what should they do, Dan?
Thanos, snap that like button into oblivion.
What else should they do?
Everything said.
Oh, no, they have to smash subscribe. Smash subscribe. Like, I want to see you just the subscribe button, all right? I'm not liable for any damage done to your computer while smashing the subscribe button. Goodbye. Oh no! That was so close! Alright, first try. I got that next run.
we just finished here up at Creek. Took a couple slams today, but you know, that's how you get better. You can't improve without falling. You can, I guess, if you're like.
Big facts. Fun day on the mountain. Took a couple slams. Well, Dan did. I mean, I fell a couple times, but nothing as heavy as Dan today.
Yeah.
Make sure to like if you enjoyed the video, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. All right.